I have opened your plan in my old copy of Cheap Architect X2. I went to the basement and turned on the reference display. You got it lined up pretty good. Like you got your landing there. It looks fine. I'm going to open the dialog and see what it says. Okay. Looks like the only thing that's left is right here. See, I clicked on the stair and then the edit toolbar, when it pops up, sometimes the edit toolbar is parked down here like that. See, it goes away when you deselect something and it comes back when something's selected. I just left click on this auto stairwell tool. And what that does is it creates an auto stairwell. You can, let me turn the reference display off now. There it is. You can see it created an auto stairwell. Now, I may not do a perfect job. It's just a mechanical, software device, so it's not necessarily going to do it perfectly. You may have to adjust it. But you can see where you drew, this isn't going to pass code here. There's not enough room for people to navigate. Let me close this. See, this, go over here and see, it's not going to cut it. I don't know what the code is, but knowing house inspector is going to pass that because you have to turn sideways to get around the stairs. So what you're going to have to do also, see what, there must be an extra landing you created. I'm going to get a cross-section camera and go through here. I want to see, let me explain something to you. See, I need to draw a CAD line. There we go. Okay, I'm going to draw a CAD line right on the edge of the stairs. Now I'm going to move this CAD line straight up 80 inches. Move positive 80. So you have to take out this part of that closet to have, again, code compliance for head clearance. And the software doesn't automatically do that. It's not, the software's not that smart. I'm going to turn the grid off. Yeah, that looks better. So these lines are just created by the camera that I left open. So what we have to pull this back. So I'm going to turn the reference display back on. And we need at least 3 treads off up here. So I'm going to add 3 treads down here. 1, 2, 3. Reduce it here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back to that camera and see that's going to change the relationship on where our clearance is. So I move this stair line over here and line it up again. See, I changed the angle of the stair a little bit when I lengthened it. And then, again, I'm going to raise it 80 inches. So that pretty much eliminates the flat floor in this closet. So in the real world, everything on this side of this line has to be removed so you can walk on the stairs. Okay? That's just the law. They're not going to let you build a stairwell, but you have to get on all 4s to use. Let's see, where's it? There, okay. I'm not going to save this. Now the other thing I want to look at is the other direction. The auto stairwell was generated when the stairs were a little bit different. But you can see with the shorter, we go over here to this floor, and you can see there's the stair now. So I'm going to grab this opening and drag it back right to the threshold of the stairs, and make this wall a little bit smaller. See, now now we got 4'8" clearance there, so you can work with that. But the way you had it initially drawn, you know, no building inspector would ever approve that. See, that's workable. You can navigate this hall and the stairs, and everything works. It's just this storage closet here is not going to be very useful, as I've shown. Close this camera. No, I can't select it. I'll just close it here then. Okay, so that's what I can tell you about that. I think what you probably ought to look at is just get rid of this and get rid of this. It makes this whole thing open below. Whoops. Open below. We'll change the name to stairwell. Oh, I didn't do that right. There we go. See, more modern versions capitalize these letters automatically. This old version does not. And this space here, well, you got a refrigerator or something here. I would, if I were you, I would move it over. And move this wall to line up with the stair below. I mean, you lost some storage space, and that's bad, but at least this will work. What you had before was not workable. Let's see. Yeah, see, now that's just stairwell. Let's see, let me what is that? Oh, there it is. Get an active camera. I guess in this old version, they didn't have the ability to show the floor below. That was added later. Okay. So there's your stairs in the basement. You go up a floor, and that's where you come out. This works. What you had before is not workable. I know you'd like to have the pantry there, and perhaps you could build a pantry, but the floor has to be way up off the floor to allow for head clearance for the stairs. So keep that in mind. That's about it. Hope this helps you, and wish you some success. Thank you.